What comes to mind when you think of the future of financial jobs in the age of AI? It's a question that's been on the minds of many as we witness the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence in the financial sector. Imagine a world where AI systems perform data analysis, assess risks, and even interact with customers. This isn't a glimpse into some distant future, it's happening right now. As these technologies continue to evolve and mature, their influence only grows, shaping the financial landscape in ways we're only just beginning to understand. This video aims to explore how AI is not only transforming existing financial jobs, but also creating new career paths. We'll delve into the impact of AI on traditional roles, the exciting opportunities it's creating, and how you can prepare for this AI-powered future. So, are you ready to delve deeper into this transformation? Stay tuned. AI is not just a distant future concept, it's already here, reshaping the financial landscape. It's like the wind, unseen, but its influence undeniable. Let's delve into how AI is automating tasks in traditional financial roles, such as data analysis, risk assessment, and customer service. Imagine a trader poring over countless spreadsheets trying to identify patterns and predict market trends. Now picture an AI doing the same task in seconds, with pinpoint accuracy. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, it's happening right now. AI algorithms are increasingly being used to analyze vast amounts of data, make predictions, and even execute trades, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Next, let's consider risk assessment. It's a crucial element of finance, traditionally requiring expert knowledge and extensive analysis. AI is revolutionizing this process by using machine learning algorithms to assess risk based on a multitude of factors quickly and objectively. This not only reduces human error, but also allows for more nuanced and accurate risk assessments, leading to better informed decisions. And what about customer service? We've all experienced the frustration of waiting on hold to speak to a representative. AI is addressing this issue by implementing chatbots. These AI-powered assistants can answer customer queries round the clock, providing immediate assistance and improving customer satisfaction. But what does this mean for the people currently occupying these roles? Traders, analysts, accountants, they're all feeling the impact. There's no sugarcoating it. Some job roles are at risk of becoming obsolete. The World Economic Forum predicts that by the year 2025, about 75 million jobs worldwide could be displaced by AI and automation. But before we jump to conclusions, let's take a step back. Remember the advent of the internet? It was feared then that the digital revolution would lead to mass unemployment, but instead it created millions of new jobs, ones we couldn't even imagine before. The same is likely to happen with AI. Yes, there's potential for job displacement, but there's also a need for upskilling. Professionals in the finance sector will need to adapt, learn new skills, and find ways to work alongside AI, not against it. Data science, machine learning, programming, these are the skills of the future. But it's not all doom and gloom. As with all technological advancements, AI is opening up new opportunities. And that's what we'll explore in the next scene, so stay tuned. The AI revolution is not just about job displacement, it's also about job creation. The rise of artificial intelligence in finance has paved the way for a new breed of financial professionals. These aren't your typical number crunchers, mind you. They're a tech-savvy, AI-literate workforce driving the financial world forward in ways we've never seen before. Among these emerging roles, we find the AI financial analysts. These professionals leverage artificial intelligence to interpret vast amounts of data, pinpointing trends and making accurate forecasts at a speed and accuracy that outstrip traditional methods. They combine financial expertise with a strong understanding of data science, machine learning, and programming to interpret and act on insights that AI offers. Next in line are the AI risk managers. These individuals use AI to evaluate and mitigate potential financial risks. They employ machine learning algorithms to predict market fluctuations, assess credit risks, and even detect fraudulent activities. Their role is to ensure the financial stability of their organizations, armed with the predictive power of AI. Then we have AI compliance officers. In a world where financial regulations are becoming increasingly complex, these professionals use AI to ensure their organizations are on the right side of the law. They use AI tools to monitor transactions, flagging any suspicious activities, and ensuring adherence to the myriad of financial regulations. These new roles require a unique set of skills. Proficiency in data science is a must. This includes understanding how to collect, clean, and analyze data, as well as interpret the results. Knowledge of machine learning and programming is also key. These skills allow professionals to design and implement AI systems that can extract meaningful insights from data. But it's not just about the technical skills. Soft skills, such as the ability to communicate complex data insights in an understandable way, are also crucial. After all, what good is a groundbreaking AI analysis if no one else in your organization understands it? Now, let's look at some examples of companies that are harnessing the power of AI to create innovative financial products and services. Take, for instance, the robo-advisors offered by companies like Betterment and Wealthfront. These platforms use AI algorithms to provide personalized investment advice and portfolio management, with a level of customization and accessibility that was previously unheard of in the financial sector. Or consider how insurance companies like Lemonade are using AI to revolutionize the claims process. Their AI-powered system can process and pay out claims in mere seconds, dramatically improving customer experience and efficiency. These are just a few examples of the countless ways AI is being used to innovate in the finance sector. The opportunities are vast, and they're only set to grow as AI technology continues to advance. The key to success in this new landscape is preparation and adaptability. To thrive in these new AI-driven roles, professionals need to be proactive in learning new skills and agile in adapting to changes. The future of finance is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to be a part of it? So how can you prepare for the AI-powered future of finance? The change is inevitable, but with the right mindset and resources, you can turn this tide of transformation into an ocean of opportunities. Let's delve into how you can adapt to this changing landscape. First and foremost, it's all about education. An understanding of the fundamentals of AI, machine learning, and data science is crucial. Many online platforms offer courses in these fields. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and edX provide a wealth of knowledge, often directly from prestigious institutions like MIT, Stanford, or Harvard. You don't need to become a full-fledged data scientist, but a basic understanding of these areas will go a long way. If you're already in the finance sector, consider enhancing your skills with AI-related certifications. These can range from AI in finance to machine learning for trading. Remember, certifications not only provide you with knowledge, but also show potential employers that you're proactive and ready for the future. However, with the advent of AI, the importance of soft skills cannot be overstated. As AI takes over routine tasks, human skills like problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence become even more valuable. So, while you're brushing up on your technical skills, don't forget to nurture these human aspects too. It's also helpful to keep an eye on AI trends in the finance sector. Stay updated with the latest developments by following relevant blogs, podcasts, and industry leaders on social media. This will not only keep you informed, but also provide insights into how AI is being applied in real-world scenarios. Networking is another key aspect. Engage with communities, attend webinars, and participate in forums that focus on AI in finance. This will expose you to new ideas and perspectives, and who knows, you might even stumble upon your next big opportunity during a casual conversation. And last, but definitely not least, cultivate an attitude of continuous learning. The world of AI is fast-paced and ever-evolving. To stay relevant, you need to be adaptable and willing to learn new things. This is not a one-time effort, but a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Now, this might seem like a lot, but remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Start small, perhaps with an online course or a book on AI. Gradually, as you dive deeper, you'll find yourself becoming more comfortable and confident in navigating this AI-driven landscape. In conclusion, preparing for the future of AI in finance is about much more than just understanding technology. It's about embracing change, continuously learning, and leveraging your unique human skills. It's about being proactive, staying informed, and connecting with like-minded individuals. The future is not something to fear, but something to prepare for. So, are you ready to seize the opportunities of the AI-powered future of finance? From traders to analysts, the landscape of financial jobs is being reshaped, urging us to adapt and upskill. Newly emerging roles such as AI financial analysts, AI risk managers, and AI compliance officers are at the forefront of this revolution, requiring a fresh set of skills in data science, machine learning, and programming. Companies are leveraging AI to innovate and create groundbreaking financial products and services, further solidifying AI's integral role in the future of finance. The AI-powered future of finance is not a cause for fear, but a beacon of opportunity. It beckons us to evolve, to learn, and to embrace change. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the future of finance. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to help others prepare for the AI-powered future of finance.